Hey there, you're watching Amitha Verma. It is countdown time, less than a week before Thanksgiving. And so today I wanted to share some quick tips on some tablescape and centerpiece ideas, which I'm calling Falliday. I know it's a lot to ask to say, let's do a fall tablescape, put that away, and then do a whole new holiday tablescape and enjoy that for just a few short weeks, and then put it away and celebrate the new year. So I've come up with this thing over at my shop, which we're calling Falliday, which is a little combination of fall, holiday, and something that you can keep up all the way until January. So enjoy as I show you how I'm going to put together a very beautiful tablescape with all of the elements of Falliday. So I love using a runner or a tablecloth to use to soften up my table a little bit. And I'm going to use this very beautiful, neutral, holiday inspired runner. I know we're getting ready for Thanksgiving, but I love the green tones in here because it just brings in some of those beautiful colors that we think about when we think about the holidays and Thanksgiving and seasonality. Now next, I am going to use a breadboard to create my centerpiece. So of course we always see beautiful smaller scale breadboards and round breadboards, but I especially love pieces like this, an oversized rectangle or oblong or oval, because they make a great table or island centerpiece. You can leave this just for your Thanksgiving table and use all of your beautiful fall decor, but I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to start with some of my holiday decor and then use my beautiful pumpkins all around our holiday trees. And we're just going to start creating a little bit of a zigzag because I've got multiples. And whenever you're looking for home decor, I love looking for multiples of anything. So 3s, 5s make for very easy decorating. There we go. So you can see a little bit of a zigzag here. And then we will start filling in all of these pockets with fall decor and holiday decor. So these are some very unusual colors, which I love about this collection. They have all of these very beautiful creams and deep blues that are bringing a lot of cool tones to this table, which I love because it doesn't shout out Thanksgiving or holiday. And I'm just starting with my larger pumpkins first to place them all around our beautiful breadboard. I'm going to swap this one out for a bigger one so we can really play with the scale here, with a large one, a tiny one, and then one of these medium ones. And this one's going to go maybe over here on the side. So that way we have a little bit of white over here and a little bit of white over here as well. And now I want to come in and start filling in with some of my minis to really provide some contrast. So here's the thing about the Falliday table. I really don't want to put it away. I just want to enjoy my holiday, my seasonal decor, starting today all the way through the end of the year. Now I know there are a lot of purists out there who say first fall, then Christmas, and so forth, but I know a lot of us are just trying to get it all done this year, and we definitely need to and want to celebrate. So this is a great way to have all of your efforts really last throughout the rest of the year for you. If you like how this is looking for your Thanksgiving table, you can leave it just like this. Now, in the years past, we tend to use low tablescapes, which always looks beautiful, but we're going a little high this year to give it some variety and drama. And of course, you could take this entire tablescape and just put it back there on your buffet if you like the drama of this, but you want to keep your table a little bit lighter. Now you can also use these beautiful stems to just fill in and add a little pop of color and luster onto your design. I love these beautiful iridescent stems. They look gorgeous in the tree and throughout your home for just a little bit of that holiday inspired glitter and glam. Whenever I'm working on a tablescape, I always want to think about ambient lighting, the kind of lighting that makes your guests want to stick around for a long time. I guess if you don't want them to stick around a long time, you can leave all your lights on super bright, and that'll make them certainly want to leave early. But if not, just look for a couple of beautiful votive holders and then use those LED candles to keep your table lit in a very soft, romantic way. And I'm gonna add one more to the other side. So we always want balance. Whatever's on one side is gonna be on the other, unless it's something really special, which I'm about to show you. I'm gonna leave it up to you in the comments. You tell me, when would you stop? Are you a more is more person or a less is more person? Something that is beautiful to enjoy now all the way through January. I've got some beautiful napkins that I'm gonna lay out so it looks very warm and welcoming. And I'm gonna bring out one of my favorite pieces, these beautiful little Staffordshires, because they just look so perfect with this color story and will be out for everyone on this side of my table to enjoy this holiday season. So there you have it. You can see it took me maybe 10-12 minutes to put this together. Just start grouping all of the beautiful decor that you have already around your home. And of course, if you don't already have pieces like this in your home, I welcome you to come in and shop at my shop called Village Antiques in Houston, Texas. And if you're not in Houston, just give us a call. I'll put the number down in the description box below. We'd love to help you over the phone or in a video conference call. They're so cool now, and we love helping people all over the United States. It's been a real pleasure of ours, especially this year, and we're so looking forward to a wonderful, wonderful holiday season with you and our families and our loved ones. And I'm wishing you all the best this year for Thanksgiving and the rest of the holidays. If you liked this quick tablescape, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That helps me know that you love and enjoy this type of content. Then when you're done, be sure to hit the subscribe or the follow button so you can be inspired by all of our beautiful design tips. Then I want you to head over to my blog where you can sign up to receive your free design newsletter and soak in endless hours of design tips that will help you create the home that you dream of. Till the next time we meet, keep using your amazing gifts to create heart in your home. Okay, hey there, I'm looking at the camera. Hopefully this is the right spot for my eyeballs. To balance the weight of that one over there. Or actually maybe we'll put it here because we've got a nice big empty spot. Now of course, depending on the length of your table or the width of your table,